before the cities awaken, before the streets begin to move, and endless possibility. This is the United States of America. Standing proudly in New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty has welcomed generations of dreamers, searching for freedom, hope, and a new beginning. Every morning, millions of people fill these streets with energy. Every building tells a story of determination, innovation, and success. Times Square is one of the world's most recognizable crossroads, where cultures, languages, and dreams meet every single day. In the heart of one of the busiest cities on Earth lies a place of peace, where nature and urban life exist together in perfect balance. Wall Street represents the financial heartbeat of America, where decisions made every day influence businesses and economies across the globe. Just a short journey from New York lies the nation's capital, where history, leadership, and democracy continue to shape the future. The White House has witnessed generations of leadership, serving as one of the most recognized symbols of government in the world. These monuments honor the people and ideals that help define the American story, through courage, sacrifice, and unity. Our journey has only just begun. Beyond the filled with extraordinary landscapes, remarkable cities, and stories waiting to be discovered. On America's West Coast stands Los Angeles, a city where creativity, entertainment, and innovation inspire people around the world. Perched high above the city, the Hollywood sign has become a global symbol of imagination, storytelling, and artistic ambition. Beverly Hills represents elegance, luxury, and a lifestyle recognized across the world through film, fashion, and culture. Along the Pacific coastline, Santa Monica blends relaxation, natural beauty, and California's famous beach culture. Venice Beach is a celebration of individuality, where creativity, expression, and freedom come together every day. Few roads capture the spirit of adventure like Route 66, a legendary highway that has connected generations of travelers across America. The deserts of the American Southwest reveal a landscape shaped by millions of years of nature's remarkable artistry. Carved over countless centuries by the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon stands among Earth's greatest natural wonders. Every layer of rock tells a story older than human history, reminding us of the extraordinary power and beauty of nature. Our journey now moves beyond deserts and cities, into landscapes where mountains, forests, rivers, and wildlife reveal another breathtaking side of America. Far from the towering skylines, Yellowstone reveals one of America's natural treasures, where the earth breathes through geothermal wonders and wildlife thrives. Old Faithful has amazed visitors for generations, demonstrating the incredible geothermal forces hidden beneath the surface of the earth. Yosemite is a masterpiece sculpted by nature, where towering granite cliffs, ancient forests, and magnificent waterfalls inspire millions every year. Some of these giant trees have stood here for thousands of years, silently witnessing the changing seasons and the passing of generations. The Rocky Mountains stretch across the continent, offering breathtaking scenery, adventure, and a powerful reminder of nature's immense scale. Chicago combines remarkable architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture, creating one of America's most dynamic urban landscapes. Seattle brings together innovation, natural beauty, and a deep connection to the Pacific Northwest, where mountains meet the sea. Silicon Valley has transformed the modern world through groundbreaking ideas, pioneering technologies, and relentless innovation. The Golden Gate Bridge stands as an engineering masterpiece, connecting the vibrant city of San Francisco with the beauty of California's northern coast. As day turns into night, our journey continues toward new cultures, new landscapes, and new stories that define the Along America's southeastern coast, Miami blends tropical beauty, international culture, and endless energy into one unforgettable destination. Beyond the beaches lies the Everglades, one of the world's most unique ecosystems, where extraordinary wildlife thrives in a landscape unlike any other.
New Orleans celebrates music, history, and tradition, creating a cultural experience that has inspired generations of artists and travelers.
Everything feels larger in Texas, where innovation, tradition, agriculture, and industry combine to shape one of America's most influential states. Nashville is known as Music City, where every street echoes with creativity, passion, and unforgettable performances. When the sun sets, Las Vegas transforms into one of the world's brightest entertainment capitals, where imagination comes alive after dark. The true story of America is written not only in its landmarks, but in the lives of millions of people who build stronger communities every day through courage, compassion. From coast to coast, America is united by endless diversity, extraordinary landscapes, and a shared spirit of progress and opportunity. Every sunrise brings another chapter to this nation's remarkable journey, a future shaped by innovation, resilience, and hope. Our journey comes to an end, but the story of the United States continues to evolve with every generation. Thank you for joining